Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make clips for TikTok. First, begin by choosing a clear idea or moment you want to share. Think about what will grab attention in the first 3 seconds. You will want to select high-quality footage that aligns with your message. This initial step sets the foundation for a successful and viral-ready video. Focus on identifying the most dynamic and interesting moments in your footage. Most successful TikToks are between 15 and 60 seconds long, so pinpoint your best 20 to 45 seconds. Trim your video to remove any dull or unnecessary parts at the beginning and end. Precision editing ensures your audience stays engaged from start to finish. Text overlays are crucial for communicating your message effectively on TikTok. Choose a font that is easy to read and position it strategically on the screen. Ensure your text is concise and relevant, complementing your visual content. Time the appearance of your captions to match specific moments, guiding your viewer through your story. Sound is incredibly important for TikTok, so select a trending audio or music track that fits your content. Explore the wide range of effects and filters available within the app to elevate your video's aesthetic. Remember to adjust the volume of the original sound versus the added music to create a balanced audio experience. These elements can significantly boost your clip's appeal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.